Hello everyone and welcome. In this video we are going to show you how you can get £33,000 for free, to put towards your first home or retirement. The Lifetime ISA. Plus, at the end of this video, we'll be sharing a few providers who offer Lifetime ISA accounts. Let's get started. In April 2017, the UK government introduced the Lifetime ISA scheme. Under this scheme, for every £4 contributed by you, the government will provide a 25% bonus of £1. The maximum you can contribute into a Lifetime ISA in any given tax year is £4,000, with the government providing a £1,000 bonus. Once you have paid in your deposit to the account, it should take between 1 and 2 months for the government bonus to be added to your account. The Lifetime ISA scheme is available for people aged between 18 and 40, and you can contribute to your account until aged 50, assuming that the government do not discontinue the scheme. So, if you deposit the maximum £4,000 every year from age 18 to age 50, you could earn a government bonus of £33,000. In order to qualify for a Lifetime ISA, you must be a UK resident, or a Crown servant. Any amount contributed to a Lifetime ISA forms part of your regular ISA allowance. So, if you deposited £4,000 for example, your remaining allowance of other ISA accounts in that tax year would be £16,000. I know what you're thinking, what's the catch? Well, the only catch with the Lifetime ISA scheme is that, to claim the bonus you must only withdraw money for eligible purposes. This means either buying your first home, withdrawing for retirement, or withdrawing if you become terminally ill. Plus, as noted on this slide, there is specific criteria which must be met in order to make a property purchase eligible. If any withdrawal is made for any ineligible purpose, you will be charged 25% of whatever the withdrawal amount is. This means you may get less than you initially deposited, so it is important that you make sure you know what you're saving for. For example, if you were to deposit £4,000, get the government bonus of £1,000, and then attempt to withdraw the total £5,000, you will be charged £1,250, leaving you with £3,750. Less than the initial £4,000 deposited. Another thing to mention is that a single person cannot claim the government bonus on both a Help to Buy ISA and a Lifetime ISA. However, two people purchasing together may both claim their respective bonuses. Lifetime ISA accounts are available as either cash ISA accounts or stocks and shares ISA accounts, with stocks and shares accounts available with both pick your own and ready-made investment portfolio products. In this slide we have included some providers of each product, but do note that many other providers exist. See links in the description for each. A quick word of warning: if you're saving for retirement, a Lifetime ISA may not be as cost-effective as saving in a pension, particularly if you are not a basic rate taxpayer who is self-employed. Please see links in the description where you can find out more. That's all for today everyone, thanks for watching. This video was brought to you by the Personal Finance Institute, where our mission is to bring financial literacy to you, so that you can plan your financial future. If you are finding our content useful, informative, and you'd like to see more, please do like, share, and subscribe.